AI versus human creativity. Will AI take over jobs or unlock new careers? In a world where AI is revolutionizing industries, the battle between artificial intelligence and human creativity is reshaping careers. Will AI take over creative jobs, or will human ingenuity remain irreplaceable? Join us as we explore how AI and creativity are merging to redefine the future of work, unlocking new opportunities, innovation, and success. AI's role in creativity. AI excels in data-driven design and generation. AI tools like DALL-E, Midjourney, and Adobe Firefly can generate stunning visuals, write scripts, also create music based on prompts. Example: Spotify uses AI to curate personalized playlists. Automation of repetitive creative tasks. AI removes tedious tasks, such as video editing or photo retouching. Example: Canva's AI design tools generate templates in seconds. Enhanced decision-making. AI analyzes large datasets to identify trends, enabling smarter, more informed decisions. Example: Netflix uses AI to optimize content creation based on viewer preferences. Creative collaboration. AI collaborates with humans to augment ideas, serving as a co-creator. Example: OpenAI's Codex helps developers by suggesting code snippets during programming. Human creativity's unique strengths. Human creativity thrives in areas where intuition, empathy, and originality are crucial. Emotional connection. Humans can create art, stories, or designs that resonate deeply with others' emotions. Example: a hand-painted mural that reflects community values. Abstract and conceptual thinking. Humans can innovate beyond the bounds of existing frameworks, imagining completely new paradigms. Example: Elon Musk's vision for interplanetary travel through SpaceX. Cultural sensitivity. Humans understand subtle cultural nuances, ensuring creative work respects and aligns with diverse audiences. Example: Disney's culturally sensitive adaptations of global fairy tales. Ethical judgment. Humans can navigate ethical dilemmas that AI lacks the nuance to address. Example: Journalists choosing how to present sensitive news topics. Career trends, AI and creativity combined. The future isn't about AI replacing human creativity but about their collaboration. Here's where careers are heading. AI-augmented creative roles. Graphic designers use AI for concept generation but refine designs manually. Writers use tools like ChatGPT for research but add personal narratives and depth. Real-time example. Marketing professionals employ AI tools like HubSpot for campaign insights but craft original, emotionally engaging campaigns. New roles in AI creative fields. Prompt engineers design prompts to generate the best outputs from AI systems. AI-driven storyboard artists use AI to visualize scenes while directing the artistic flow. Real-time example. An AI architect combines technical expertise and creative vision to design AI solutions that solve unique challenges. Human-led creative innovation. Careers requiring a high degree of human intuition, originality, and cultural insight will grow. Examples: game designers creating immersive narratives. Social entrepreneurs developing innovative solutions for societal issues. Illustrating the shift, real-life scenarios. Scenario 1, Advertising campaign development. AI role: AI analyses audience preferences, generates potential ad scripts and suggests keywords for SEO optimization. Human role: the marketing team refines AI's ideas, aligning them with brand values, also creates a unique emotional narrative. Outcome: a viral ad campaign that feels both innovative as well as authentic. Scenario 2, Film production. AI role: AI assists in casting by analyzing actor profiles, generates visual effects and optimizes scheduling. Human role: directors and screenwriters ensure that the story reflects human values, also connects emotionally with audiences. Outcome: a blockbuster film leveraging AI tools while maintaining the director's artistic vision. Scenario 3, Product Design. AI role. AI creates prototypes based on user feedback and historical data. Human role. Designers add originality, ensuring the product feels intuitive also aligns with cultural trends. Outcome, a product that balances functionality with aesthetic appeal. Skills for the future. To thrive in this hybrid landscape, individuals must upskill. 1. AI literacy. Understand AI tools and their applications in creative fields. 2. Creative thinking. Develop problem-solving skills and explore unconventional ideas. 3. Collaboration and adaptability. Work effectively with AI and other humans, adapting as technologies evolve. 4. Ethics and emotional intelligence. Ensure the human touch remains central in all creative endeavors. The future isn't AI versus human creativity, it's AI enhancing human potential. As industries evolve, those who adapt, innovate, and embrace AI-driven creativity will thrive. Are you ready to future-proof your career? Stay ahead by blending AI with your creative skills, also shaping a world where technology and human imagination work hand in hand. Thank you for listening. For more information related to career path, job role, or description, follow our channel Career Quest.